Hello, here is a P6 question on algebra, percentage and money. Lisa, Siti and Mina spent a certain sum of money. Lisa and Siti each spent 25% of it. If Mina spent 8x dollars, how much money did Lisa spend? B. If Lisa, Siti and Mina decided to spend the amount of money in the ratio 3:6:7, how much did Lisa spend if x equals 20? Let us first highlight all the important facts in the question. We have Lisa and Siti each spent 25% of the money. Mina spent 8x dollars. The ratio of 3:6:7 and x equals 20. This is a fairly simple question, so let's get down to answering the problem and solving the problem. Now, if Lisa and Siti each spend 25% of the money, together they spend 25% plus 25%, and this would total 50%. If Lisa and Siti spent a total of 50% of the sum of money, that means what is left would be the amount that Mina spent. So 100% minus 50% would give us what Mina spent, which is 50%. Now we are told that Mina spent 8x dollars. So 8x dollars is 50%. And we are asked how much money Lisa spent. So if Lisa spent 25% of the amount, that would be half of what Mina spent. So Lisa spent would be the amount that Lisa spent would be 8x dollars divided by 2. And this would give us 4x dollars. So this is actually your answer to part A. Lisa spent $4x. Next, for question B, we shall draw a straight line for this. For question B, if Lisa, Siti and Mina decided to spend the amount of money in the ratio 3:6:7, how much did Lisa spend if x equals 20? First, we must find the total amount of money in terms of x. So we have been told earlier that Mina spent 8x dollars. We have found that Lisa spent 4x dollars, and since Siti also spent the same amount as Lisa, Siti's portion would be also for X dollars. So the total amount of money in terms of X would be 8X plus 4X plus 4X, and this would give us 16X. We are told that X equals 20. So based on this information, we can find the total amount of money. So total amount of money would be 16 times 20, since X is 20. So this would give us $320. So this is the total amount of money that they have together. Now, if Lisa, Siti, and Mina decided to spend the amount of money in the ratio of 3:6:7, how much did Lisa spend if X is 20? So based on the ratio, we can find the total ratio actually. So the total number of parts, total ratio would be 3 plus 6 plus 7, and we get 16. So 16 is the total number of parts in the ratio 3:6:7. Now based on this information, you can actually find one part. So one part would be $320 divided by 16 parts, and you will get $20. Okay, looking at the question, it's actually asking for the amount of money that Lisa spent, and based on this ratio 3:6:7, this would be Lisa's part. So that would be 3 parts. So 3 parts equals 20 times 3, and this would give us $60. So your statement for part B would be Lisa spends $60. Thank you.